Welcome to DelftStack. Today, I'll guide you through the most common solutions for keyboard input delay on Windows while playing Roblox. First, open the Windows search bar and type Ease of Access Keyboard Settings. Click on it to open the keyboard accessibility options. Inside the settings window, look for filter keys. This feature can sometimes cause delayed keyboard response in games. If filter keys is turned on, switch it off and test Roblox again to see if the delay is fixed. If the issue continues, the next step is updating your keyboard drivers. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section, then right-click your keyboard driver and choose Update Driver. Select the option to search automatically for drivers and let Windows install any available updates. You can also improve performance directly inside Roblox. Press the Escape key while in-game, open Settings, change graphics mode to manual, and lower the graphics quality level. Lower settings can reduce lag and help keyboard inputs respond faster. After applying these fixes, restart your computer and launch Roblox again. Thanks for watching.